Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to copy and paste values without formula in Excel. So let's start this tutorial. First of all, click here and copy this value and paste here, and you can see nothing is pasted because it contains formula. When we click here, you can see here is the formula. So when we click here, formula can be seen also here. So how to paste values without formula? It is very simple. Click here and copy it. Click on copy and then click on where you want to paste that values, and again right click, and here you can see values in paste option. Click on this and the values are pasted. So this is how you can paste values without formula in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.